Hi there, welcome to the next instalment of Just Ask Dad. This is where I pretend to be a dad because not all dads are good for advice. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix a leaking tap. Now, just a little warning is that sometimes do-it-yourself can be a pain in the posterior, especially when do-it-yourself means building your house completely by yourself. Let me tell you about my first adventure. I wanted to actually show you how to fix a tap and I ended up busting off the spindle. So like I say, I'm going to have to go to the hardware store and buy myself a new spindle. Before we start, what we'll need is a new tap washer, the right size spanner, or a shifter, something to hold the tap with. And this here is called a tap reseating tool, which helps to clean up the seat where the washer mates with the tap. First thing we need to do is make sure the water is off. Most people don't have a rural property, but I do. So we're just going to switch off the pump, and I'm going to go to the tank and switch off the tap. And that's it. If you live in the city or the suburbs, you'll find that somewhere out the front of your house is likely to be a master tap which you turn off. So here is the tap, the offending tap, dripping away, and just what we're going to do is unscrew the spindle and put a new tap washer in. It's as simple as that. But also I'll show you how to reseat it. So at very least, unscrew that, stick the new tap washer in, and it may fix the problem, but sometimes we need to actually reseat it, and I'll show you how to do that. And there we have it. We could just put the new one in, but I will reseat it now. The seat is the part that the washer fits against. So I've screwed that in. Now I screw that on and just turn that around a few times until we'll just take it out and have a little look. If you look there, we've got a nice bright ring there, which hopefully should do the trick. Put the new washer in place. Okay, so we'll switch the water back on and see whether it drips still. A lot of times the tap will not just be a plain spindle like the one that I've shown, so I'll just show you how you would approach a bathroom tap. The spindle is actually covered up by this cover, and you'd have to take the tap off to get this cover off. So probably shouldn't really use, maybe we should use a spanner instead of multi-grips. Take that off, and there we have the spindle, the same as the other one. And to put it together, we'll just reverse the process.